How to delete Google Docs documents. So guys, in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can delete your documents from Google Docs, and I'm going to also show you the how you can delete all documents at once if you want to delete in bulk. So I'm going to show you the best way you can delete the bulk document in Google Docs. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so first we are uh, go to the Google Docs. Okay, so first let me show in Google Docs. Okay, so this is my Google Docs. Make sure it is in your list view. So make sure this, click on make it view list view. Now from here we can see all your Google document. Okay, you can search here. If you have name of your Google Docs, just search from here. You can find that Google documents here. Okay, you can open it. Okay, so just go and find the Google documents from here and go to this three dot option and remove it. So basically when you remove, it will be go to the trash and it will be delete after 30 days automatically. For trash we need to go in Google Drive. So just click on trash. So here you can see there is no any option to delete more than one. You have to delete one by one here. So if you want to delete in bulk, then we need to go in Google Drive. Okay, so Google Drive basically storage facility for all Google documents. So I have Google Drive here. I just open the Google Drive and you can see all your Google documents. Just come to the home and go to the file and make sure you have list. So you can see all your documents here, and the trash option you can see the trash folder. You can see this is document we just deleted from Google Docs. It is moved to trash, so you can see that is trash. So it will be here for 30 days. It will be deleted permanently after 30 days. But if you want to delete permanently from here also, just come to the trash folder and delete it. You can also restore if you want to restore. Okay, if you delete forever, it can't be undo. So just make sure and delete it. Now we need to come in home and make sure find out that your all documents here. If you want to filter out only Google documents, we need to go in search drive. Just click on it. Then here you can see the documents option. Just click on it. Then you can see all your documents only Google documents, or you can simply type colon documents. Okay, so now you can delete from here. Go to the more trash. It will be delete, or you can simply select any documents, and now you have to click control button and hold it, and now you have to select by mouse. You can select multiple document like this, okay, randomly, or you can simply select anyone and just hit the shift key, hold it and click down arrow. The all documents will be select like this. If you want to select all documents, just select any one, and now you have to click control plus A. Then all document will be select, and after selection you can delete from here. After delete, it will be moved to the trash, and from here you can delete permanently. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.